Running into the bad SSL client error when trying to browse. It's a real headache, but don't worry, I've got 7 simple fixes that will get you back online in no time. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting your WordPress site deserves. Today, we're tackling the bad SSL client, a common issue that can stop you from accessing websites. I'm going to walk you through what it is and, more importantly, how to fix it. The bad SSL client error occurs when your browser encounters issues with an SSL certificate while trying to establish a secure connection with a website. SSL certificates are crucial for ensuring that the data exchanged between your browser and the website is encrypted and secure. This error typically pops up when there is a problem with the SSL certificate, such as it being expired, invalid, or not properly configured. It can also be triggered by incorrect system settings like your device date and time, conflicts with browser extensions, or outdated software. Essentially, it's your browser's way of telling you that something's off with the website security and it's preventing you from assessing it until the issue is resolved. Let's start troubleshooting it. First up, make sure your Google Chrome is up to date. Outdated versions of Chrome might have bugs or security vulnerabilities that cause SSL certificate errors. To update Chrome, click on the 3-dot menu in the top right corner. Go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Once updated, restart Chrome and see if the error persists. Keeping Chrome updated ensures you have the latest security patches, which can resolve SSL issues. Next, check your device's date and time. SSL certificates rely on your system clock to verify their validity, so if your device's date and time are incorrect, it can cause this error. To fix it on Windows, right-click on the date and time in the bottom right corner and select Adjust Date Time. Toggle on Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically. On macOS, go to System Settings and click on the General tab. Select Date and Time and make sure Set Date and Time Automatically is checked. Correcting your date and time settings can instantly resolve the issue. If the problem persists, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, these files can become outdated or corrupted, leading to SSL errors. You can do that by clicking on the 3-dot menu in Chrome and going to Settings. Under Privacy and Security, click Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Click Clear Data. This clears out old data which might be causing the SSL issue. Sometimes, browser extensions can interfere with SSL certificates, causing the bad SSL client error. To troubleshoot this, disable all your extensions and re-enable them one by one. Go to the 3-dot menu in Chrome, then More Tools and Extensions. Toggle off all extensions. Reload the page to see if the error is fixed. If it is, re-enable your extensions one at a time to find the culprit. Identifying the problematic extension can quickly fix the error. Another potential fix is updating your operating system. SSL certificates rely on up-to-date system security features, so running an old OS can cause problems. To do that on Windows, go to Settings and then Update and Security and click Check for Updates. On Mac, go to System Settings, then Software Update. Install any available updates. Keeping your OS updated ensures all security protocols are current, reducing SSL issues. Next, let's try deactivating the QUIC protocol in Chrome. QUIC is a new transport layer protocol that can sometimes conflict with SSL certificates. To turn it off, type chrome://flags in your Chrome address bar and press Enter. Search for QUIC in the search bar. Set Experimental QUIC Protocol to Disabled and restart Chrome. Disabling QUIC can help resolve conflicts with SSL certificates. Finally, try to turn off Antivirus SSL scanning temporarily. Antivirus software analyzes incoming and outgoing data to protect you from malware and other threats. Some antivirus programs include a feature that scans SSL/TLS encrypted traffic for potential threats. And even though this feature is well-intentioned, it occasionally misinterprets secure connections as threats, leading to SSL errors. Try turning off SSL scanning in your antivirus software. If the error disappears, you'll know the antivirus was causing it. Just remember to turn the feature back on after testing to stay protected. Just like these fixes help keep your browsing smooth, maintaining a high-performance website requires reliable hosting. With Rapyd Cloud, your site stays fast, secure, and free of errors thanks to our top-tier hosting and built-in security features. Whether you're troubleshooting or scaling your site, Rapyd Cloud has got your back. Click the link in the description to get started with Rapyd today. And there you have it, 7 ways to fix the bad SSL client error and get back to browsing securely. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.